Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the prerequisites and taking the first actionable step. Sign into your Apple ID, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, and plug the device into power. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and iCloud Backup. This is where backup's live. You'll see a switch and a last successful backup time. Tap Backup Now to force an immediate save. Doing this verifies that iCloud can create backups and gives you a current timestamp to check later. Next, you inspect details to understand what's stored and why space matters. From iCloud Backup, go to Manage Storage, then Backups. You'll see each device, backup sizes, and dates. Tap a device to view which apps and data are included, messages, photos, app data, so you know what's consuming space. If you need to shrink a backup, turn off non-essential app backups here. iCloud will stop saving that app's data in future backups. Make sure to leave critical data enabled so nothing important is lost. To finish, confirm your changes and validate a successful backup. After forcing a backup, check that the last successful backup timestamp updates. This proves the operation worked. If it doesn't, troubleshoot. Ensure Wi-Fi is stable, you're signed into the correct Apple ID, and you have enough iCloud storage. Then restart the device and try again. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud or contact Apple support. One key tip: free up iCloud storage or purchase more to resolve most stuck backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.